Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I want to tell you how to make iced coffee easily. So, continue to the video. Before making it, make sure you have the tools and the material. First, blender, ice, sugar, and coffee of course, spoon and glass, and finally water. So, straight to how to make it. First step, open your blender. And the second step, put the coffee into the blender. Then add sugar. Add sugar to taste, but don't overdo it. And the third step, put the ice into the blender. And the next step is to pour enough water into the blender. After that, close the blender and mix all the ingredients until smooth. If it's smooth, turn it off and open the blender, then pour it into a glass. And then put the chocolate powder on the top of the coffee, and the coffee is ready to drink. Okay, I think that's it from me. I'm Muhammad Ihsan Suhada, grade 12 Science 4. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.